Welcome back everyone. Now we will discuss on the types of cell receptors. There are the 6 types of the cell receptor. First one is the G protein couple receptor. Second is receptor tyrosine kinase, receptor guanylyl cyclase, gated ion channel. Fifth is the adhesion receptor, and last is the nuclear receptor. I will explain all these receptors from this figure. See, G protein coupled receptor. In this receptor, the mechanism of the G protein coupled receptor is the external ligand binding to the receptor. This is the receptor. This external ligand binding to the receptor and then activates the intracellular GTP binding protein. This GTP binding protein activates the GTP binding protein, which regulates the enzyme and generates an intracellular second messenger. What is a mechanism exact? The G protein receptor that directly activate the G protein enzyme that generate the intracellular second messenger. And this type of receptor is found in a beta adrenergic receptor system that detects the epinephrine, that is adrenaline. Example of this mechanism is beta adrenergic receptor. Also, vision, afflection, and gustation are the sensory system that also operates through the G protein coupled receptor. This is about the G protein coupled receptor, their mechanism and example. Then second one is the receptor tyrosine kinase. Receptor tyrosine kinase is the plasma membrane receptor. This is the plasma membrane receptor that also have the enzymes. This extracellular ligand binds to the extracellular site of the receptor, and this receptor is activated and then catalyzes the phosphorylation process for the several cytolystic and plasma membrane protein. See, this enzyme receptor in the plasma membrane have an enzymatic activity. This is the enzymatic activity in the cytoplasmic site. Then this triggered by the ligand binding on the extracellular site. This receptor with tyrosine kinase activity catalyze the phosphorylation of the tyrosine residue in the specific intracellular target protein. Okay, what is this? A receptor with tyrosine kinase activity catalyze the phosphorylation of tyrosine residue in the specific intracellular receptor for residue in the specific intracellular target protein. Now, these are the mechanism of the receptor tyrosine kinase. Then second one is this kinase activates the intracellular target protein for transcription factor and altering the gene expression. The example of this receptor are insulin and epidermal growth factor. These all are about the tyrosine kinase, receptor tyrosine kinase. Third one is the receptor guanylyl cyclase. In this receptor have two domains. First one is domain and the second domain. This is the external side and its internal side in the cytoplasmic side. Okay, the receptor guanylyl cyclase, which are the plasma receptor. Okay, these are the plasma receptor with an enzymatic cytoplasmic domain. These are the enzymatic cytoplasmic domain. Then ligand binding to the extracellular domain. This ligand binding to the extracellular domain stimulate the formation of second messenger cyclic guanylyl monophosphate, and a same procedure carries as a receptor tyrosine kinase, that is this cyclin guanylyl phosphate activates the cytosolic protein kinase and then phosphorylates the cellular protein and thereby changes their activation. This is about the receptor guanylyl cyclase. These are the simple, this is the cyclase are also fall in this receptor tyrosine kinase group. Okay. The next one is the gated ion channel. Why called gated ion channel? The gated ion channel of the plasma membrane. This is the gated ion channel of the plasma membrane that open or close. Here is close, but with the help of ion that open or close in response to the chemical ligands or changes in the transmembrane potential, so called as the gated ion channel. What is opens or the closes in response to the concentration of the signal ligand of the membrane potential. This is a very simplest signal transducer. Next one is the adhesion receptor. Adhesion receptor, it is the binds interact with the macromolecular compound of the extracellular matrix. Example is collagen, okay, and convey the instruction to the cytoskeletal system about the cell migration or adherence to the matrix. What is binds molecule in the extracellular matrix and changes conformation and thus altering its interaction with the cytoskeleton and carry the information as a cell migration or adherence to the matrix. The example of this adhesion receptor is the integrin. This is about the mechanism and example of adhesion receptor. The last one is the nuclear receptor. In the nuclear receptor, the nuclear receptor example is steroid hormone that binds to the specific ligand named as a hormone estrogen and alter the rate at which the specific gene are translated and translated into the cellular proteins, because the steroid hormone function through the mechanism related to the regulation of gene expression. So nuclear receptor, this is the mechanism of nuclear receptor. What is hormone binding allows the receptor to regulate the expression of specific gene. That is the nuclear receptor steroid receptor that binds the specific ligand such as a hormone estrogen and alters the rate at which the specific gene are transcribed and translated into the cellular protein. These all are about the nuclear receptor, mechanism of nuclear receptor. These are all the types of receptor, the mechanism and example. Thank you.